In our previous lecture, we have done, we had already started models. We completed will, would, shall, should, and can, could. Today, I am going to take up a very important model, rather say models, that is must, must not, need, need not. I am starting with a dialogue, and by that dialogue, I am reading out that dialogue, and by that dialogue, you will be able to feel the difference between must and need, must not and need not. Let us take it. I am reading out for you. Dialogue. A cold coming on. Mother. Vidya, you must have a bath. You must have a bath. Here, must. Just feel it. Must. No, I don't need one. Mother, I'm not dirty. I'm not dirty. Mother, you are. Yes, you are. Look at your arms and legs. They are filthy. I ought not to have a bath, mother. I have a bad cold. Sniffing. No, you haven't. Don't try to play tricks on me. Go on, have a bath. The water is hot and wash all your dirty handkerchiefs. Okay? So here, must, then need in the second sentence. And then Vidya is saying, I ought not to have. Okay? Then Vidya's dialogue. If you give them to the dhobi, I need not wash them. Here, just keep in mind the use of need not. Did you have to wash your handkerchiefs when you were a girl, mother? Then mother's dialogue. Mother says, I had to wash all my clothes. We were poor. Vidya's. All right, mother, I'll wash them. But then again, keep in mind the use of must. But must I go to school today? I can really feel a cold coming on. Again he sneezes. Mother, you need not stay at school the whole day. Just see the use of need not. Come home at lunchtime. Okay, so this is the dialogue. Reread it. The use of must, then need, then ought not to, and then need not, then must I, need not. Now, let us see. You, as a student, you should not be confused between need not and must not. Need not and must not. Why? What is the difference? Means they are very important models. And what is the difference? Must not shows a prohibition, or you can say a strong advice. And what is a strong, you know what is a strong advice or prohibition? In Hindi we will say निषेध or सख्त मनाही. What is that? You must not drive fast. So this is a very strong advice or prohibition. Or whereas need not indicates an absence of obligation. An absence of obligation means you don't face any consequence. You don't face any consequences even if you commit any mistake. You are not bound by law here. There we use need not. Now, you must not drive fast. One example I am giving you, that you must not make noise in hospital. You must not smoke in the hospital, near school, or you must not smoke near petrol pump. So what is the meaning when we are saying must not smoke or drive or make noise? It is dangerous to do so. Hence, it is prohibited. You need not drive fast. In Hindi क्या कहेंगे हम? You must not drive fast means we are using this sentence some near crowded area or hospital or crowded area. You need not drive fast. Here it means ज़्यादा तेज गाड़ी चलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. कारण there is no hurry because we have plenty of time. But here when we are using you must not drive fast, so it is dangerous. Now let us see the difference in meaning between the sentences paired below. You must not give him a lift. He isn't coming to our play. You must not give him a lift. Don't give him a lift. Why? He is not coming to our play. And you need not give him a lift. जरूरत नहीं है उसको लिफ्ट देने की. He is not coming to our play. Because he is not coming to our play. Subhash must not give him another job to do. बिल्कुल भी नहीं देना चाहिए उसको. Why? He is already overworked. क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहा है. He is overworked. So must not, it is dangerous. And why here it is dangerous to give him leave? Because he is not coming to a play. And if we say जरूरत नहीं उसको देने की क्योंकि वो प्ले में नहीं आ रहा है. Subhash need not give him a job to do so. उसको जरूरत नहीं है काम देने की. कारण he has already got one. Because उसका पहले से एक है job. So you can feel the difference when you are using need not or must not. Means this is the difference that you have to feel while using Need not or must. Need not or must not. They are very important and you have to use them cautiously. And but when you start using them, gradually you will feel the difference. Now, Robert must not send any money to his sister. Robert is prohibited to send any money to his sister. Why? She is a nun. Because she is a nun, तो रॉबर्ट को मनी बिल्कुल नहीं भेजनी चाहिए अपनी सिस्टर को. सी वन मोर सेंटेंस. जॉन नीड नॉट सेंड एनी मनी टू हिज सिस्टर. जॉन को अपनी बहन को पैसे भेजने की जरूरत नहीं. वाई? हर हस्बैंड इज अ रिच मैन, सो दैट इज द रीजन. नीड नॉट, देन again be more specific between need not and don't have to, can be distinguished. How? Don't have to is used for an habitual action. An external authority is involved, and need not can be used in every other case. Like, you need not water the roses. जरूरत नहीं है पानी देने की roses में. Why? It rained last night. Don't you have to go to the office at 9 every day? So, it is your habitual action. So, for habitual action, we are using don't have to. Now, let us take few examples. With must, need not, and or need. You go and. You go and see your sister today. So, what is it? What is the answer? I'll tell you in another page. Dash I. She lives at the other end of the town. You dash go and see your sister today. B. Dash she lives at other end of the town. You just keep answering yourself, then we will discuss it. I'm going to see her tomorrow. So you dash stay for more than 10 minutes. I'm glad I dash. We haven't visited her for over 2 weeks. I think you take her some sweets. No, I dash. She will only get fatter. Now, let us see the answers. What is that? You must go and see your sister today. Need I? क्या जरूरत है जाने की? She lives at the other end of the town. I'm go. टाउन के दूसरे छोर पर ही रहती है. क्या जरूरत है जाने की? I'm going to see her tomorrow. So, you need not stay for more than 10 minutes. Please leave. I am glad I need not. We haven't visited her for over 2 weeks. I think you must take her some sweets. Means necessity. No, I need not. जरूरत नहीं है ले जाने की sweets कारण. She will only get fatter. So here when you are using must, so here it is obligation, necessity. But no, here the speaker is giving the answer no, need not. Then let us take few more answers. What is your new job like? What you have to fill here? Must, have to, or need. What is your new job like? Go very early. So what we will use here? Do you have to go very early? No, no. I don't need. Here in this, I don't need to. I here have to be there 9:30. Then work very hard. Must, not must, not need. Do you have to work very hard? No, not very. In fact, after 3 o'clock, I don't need to do any work at all. जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. You then, okay, must not leave the office before 6 p.m. I suppose. No. I have dash stay till 6. I don't have to stay till 6. I can come out at 5:30. Well, I must go now. Then I must go now. Well, I must go now. Must you? Can't you have a cup of coffee with me? No. I don't have to go early. I go early every hour, means I don't have to go early every day. But today I must, because there is some urgent work to be done. In that case, I must not keep you, means prohibited. Strong advice. Goodbye. So that you have to keep in mind that there is difference between must not and need not. There is a difference between must and need, and there is a difference between have to or must and need, or don't have to or need not or must not.